So I got a Spectrum Analyzer a while ago, and I thought I'd make a little video to show it off and show a quick demo. Anyway, this is an HP 8566B. It's a beast. It goes from 100 hertz to 22 gigahertz, and weighs about 110 pounds. And they quit making these back in '97, and I think they were selling for about 80 grand when they quit making them. So I really did get it for pennies on the dollar, single pennies on the dollar. So anyway, it seems to work fine, and I've had it on standby for a while, so the internal oscillator is locked up and everything. So anyway, some of the buttons, like this one here, I think the buckling spring in there is getting old, but I'm not going to fiddle with that unless the buttons actually stop working. So I have a piece of wire hooked up to the input, and I was just going to do a little demo of listening to AM radio using zero span. So let's put the center frequency to 1 megahertz, go down to the AM band, put the frequency span at 500 kilohertz, let's say, and so that's AM radio. And so we can click center frequency again, and let's try this guy, 1090. I know that's a station. So then we're going to go into linear mode, and we're going to put the reference level like at 100 microvolts. Yeah, that's okay. Let's turn it down just a little bit. And then all we have to do is, I have a little Radio Shack amplifier, and it's plugged into the video output in the back. So basically the output is the signal that you see on the screen sweeping across. But if I put the frequency span to 0, a hertz, then we get a very expensive AM radio. So, and we can do cool things like we can go here to the video bandwidth and start dialing that down, and we'll reduce the noise, but we'll also reduce the fidelity of the audio. So here we're at 3 kilohertz. I'll bring this closer to the camera so you can hear it better. That's 1 kilohertz, and there you can barely make it out. So that's up to 30 now, and we can take the resolution bandwidth up a little bit. We get more noise as well. So anyway, that's just a cool demo of using your Spectrum Analyzer as an AM radio.